2024 may have broken you, but 2025 is your revenge story. This isn't just a comeback, it's your rebirth. Ready to rebuild your life and rise stronger than ever? Let's rewrite everything, starting now. The world doesn't need your perfection, it needs your comeback. 2025 is more than just another year. It's your reset button. A line in the sand, a new chapter waiting for your comeback story to be written. Maybe life knocked you down in 2024. You lost something, or maybe even lost yourself. But this is your moment to reclaim your spark, redesign your journey, and rewrite your future. This is your blueprint for the greatest comeback of your life. Let's begin. 1. Own the fall. Accept, don't avoid. Every comeback begins with honesty. You don't need to fake strength. You don't need to pretend everything's fine. The fall happened. Acknowledge it. Take the story of Elijah, a 26-year-old app developer who built his dream startup. In 2024, the market crashed. He lost his business, his savings, and his confidence. But instead of running from the wreckage, he faced it. He journaled every mistake. He reached out for mentorship. He stopped blaming and started learning. The lesson: owning your failure is the first step to owning your future. If you're wondering how to rebuild your life after everything's fallen apart, start with acceptance. That's where transformation begins. 2. Reset your mindset. Shift from victim to visionary. You are not your past. You are your potential. The greatest shift in any 2025 comeback isn't in your circumstances. It's in your mindset. You have to unlearn the fear that told you you're not enough and relearn the truth. Setbacks aren't stop signs. They're setups. Imagine Serena, who spent most of 2024 battling anxiety after losing her job. Her mindset shift didn't come from a miracle. It came from deciding, day after day, to speak differently to herself. I am capable. I am not stuck. I am rebuilding. Repeat after rising reverence. Your mind is the architect. What you speak into your life becomes the bricks that build your comeback. Ash 3. Build brick by brick. Daily discipline over sudden miracles. Don't aim for a Hollywood-style comeback montage. Aim for a consistent, messy, imperfect routine that builds momentum. Want to reset your life in 2025? Start waking up 30 minutes earlier. Start reading one chapter a day. Start exercising for 15 minutes. Start saying no to things that drain you. Start. Look at Marcus, who had $14 to his name in January 2025. By April, he wasn't a millionaire, but he had a freelance gig, a steady gym habit, and his spark back. He stopped waiting for the breakthrough and became the builder of his own momentum. Bounce back from failure by making small, repeatable choices every single day. That's the real muscle of self-improvement motivation. 4. Choose purpose over pain. Let meaning fuel you. The pain didn't show up in your life for no reason. Use it. The greatest comeback stories are born when people stop asking, why me? And start asking, what now? Let 2025 be the year you attach your pain to a purpose. Turn the heartbreak into a podcast. Turn the layoff into a business. Turn the breakdown into a breakthrough. And when you walk in that purpose, even your wounds begin to shine. The reverence knows. Scars don't mean you're broken. Scars mean you fought and survived. Hatch 5. Surround yourself with growth. Proximity is power. Who you surround yourself with determines how far you rise. If you want to transform your life in 2025, get around people who remind you who you are, not who you were when you gave up. Cut ties with comfort zones. Connect with climbers. Join communities. Follow pages that uplift, not distract, like this one. Success after failure is rarely a solo mission. Energy is contagious. So choose your circle like your life depends on it, because it does. Conclusion: the world is full of comeback stories waiting to be written, and yours is next. Remember, accept the fall, don't deny it. Reset your mindset, be your own vision, build small wins daily. Let your pain fuel your purpose, protect your energy, and choose the right tribe. No one else can rise for you, no one else can walk the path. But once you decide, truly decide, that this is your year, everything changes. You're not behind. You're just one shift away from the life you were always meant to live. If this message lit a fire inside you, don't let it fade. Like, comment, share, and subscribe our video channel, Rising Reverence, for more motivational or inspirational videos. Because the Reverends don't quit, we come back stronger.
Under shadows where hope feels thin, a spark ignites the fire within. The weight may press but won't define. Our hearts beat bold, our souls align.
Through the storm, through skies of gray, we fight the doubt that clouds the day. Each scar a badge where battles lay. We rise unbroken, come what may.
Rise, stronger than ever, unshaken and free. With every fall we find destiny. A force unstoppable, a flame that won't sever. Together we rise, stronger than ever.